Welcome back to Echoes of Impact, and thank you so much for staying with us. This is your host, Noura Masri. Welcome back. I want you to keep playing, and something really, really practical that's really gonna benefit you. Taxes. Well, everyone wants to save in taxes, but you refuse to play the game of taxes. And why wealthy people win in the game of taxes? Because they learn the rules. They get professionals around them to help them play the game and make it fun. So why would you make it stressful? A lot of us are wired to make taxes stressful. But if you want to win in the money game, you must learn the tax cheat code. And that is the code that written by the tax law, and it's for you to use it. It's for you to learn from it. It's for you to get into the game and utilize what's in the tax law to your advantage. The rules are there. It's up to you if you want to use it or not. Most of you guys don't want to use it. And don't worry, I used to be like that as well. I used to be very afraid of taxes until I started learning it more and got my enrolled agent exams screwed and until I passed my enrolled agent exams and started doing those with clients, with myself, like doing all tax strategies and planning. I started playing the game. It is truly a game, but it's your choice. It's a perspective. Do you choose to feel tax code is really a burden, a stress, something like you don't want to see until April 15, and even then you ask for extension because you're not ready? Or do you want to play the game and see how much you can save with the game? How much can you apply the rules of the game to utilize it and to win with it, to keep your money, to keep control of your money? So, if you decided to play, I want you to start playing. How do you play? You just heard from Sophia how playing is very important, and I'm about to tell you more ways to keep playing all your day long. I know you're busy with your work, but let's say you make an amount of money and then now like you want to see how are you going to wipe it out. Not lose it, but not pay taxes on it. But you want to keep it. Here is it. Part of the game, when you use that, when we use the cheat code, that you lose the money. So, for example, a lot of people, they might not need to spend money on certain business expense, but they do it because they don't want to pay in taxes. But you lost the money, so what's the point? You don't have the money either way. What I want you to think, the game now is how can I wipe this money out without losing it? Legally. This is the big word here. Legally. We're not doing anything illegal here. We are doing legally wiping that money out. So that's a game you play it with your tax advisor because there's a difference between tax advisor and tax preparer or tax professional. Just you don't know, they prepare or they advise. Tax preparer who does data entry. Most of tax pros on the nationwide, they are tax preparer. Very few, very small percentage who are tax advisors. And the difference is really clear. Tax preparer is someone who just do the data entry and they don't know the tax law. They just do it. Tax advisor, they have more knowledge, they know the tax law, they see the results, they are highly results driven. They want to see you pay as minimum as possible in taxes legally. Now, Even with a tax advisor, if you just go to do your taxes after fact, there's very limited things they can do for you. But if you do tax planning all year round, that's a totally different service. You get the entire team of that tax professional, because most of the time, if you have someone who is doing taxes and tax advising, they're not going to be one man show or one woman show. They will have team that work for them because they are looking to save you money and they need a team to do that. There's no way they can do the taxes, do the bookkeeping, and do the tax saving. They really need a team. So you just got yourself an entire team working for your advantage. With a little bit of communication with you throughout the month, you will actually save big time in taxes. They will be looking for ways to save taxes for you, and it will start feeling like a game for you. When you are keeping your receipts, when you are logging your information, it should start feel like a game, and you can make it easy for yourself. Your tax professional can develop a system to help you make it as a game. And just a perspective that you should look into this. You should be very, very, very happy and excited to save money in taxes. So once you get anything going on, you let your tax professional know, hey, I got this going on. How can we make sure I don't pay extra in taxes? And your tax professional will help you. When the tax professional give you the tips on what they need from you, you should feel like, hey, oh, I am going to give them this information because I want to win in this game. If you start seeing taxes this way, it's gonna start to feel more fun. You'll be ready when it's time to file taxes. You will know what decision will make the best decision for you to make sure you have what you need, to make sure you have everything that needs to be done for your business. You will know when it's the right time to purchase a property for investments. You know when is the right time to turn maybe your current property to investment property. You know when it's the right time to invest in a retirement plan. You know which plan would be best for you. Would it be a self-directed account or would it be just a regular account? Would it be a high deductible health insurance or would it be just a regular health insurance or no insurance at all? What exactly benefits you the most? And that should get you excited because now you're making more money, a better life for you and your people around you. You're building the legacy. You don't have to learn everything. You just have to know the basics and work with the right people. Ask who, not how. That's what I'm working on and at Noura's Books, my tax and accounting firm. This is my main focus. Started last year with a lot of clients. We're just focusing on building the tax architects for the clients, making sure they have the right strategies to save in taxes, making sure they feel this is a game and they feel supported from me and my team so they can keep growing, focusing to make money. But our focus is to help them keep those money with them, not just lose it by deducting unnecessary expense, not just lose it by putting it in the IRS because they don't have any better way to use it. So if you do not feel that taxes is a game, it's on you to know that. And I do have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. If you go to nourasbooks.com,
Noura's Books, NOURASBOOKS.com. There's links for all my social media accounts, and you can watch those videos. Watch Echoes of Impact. We talk a lot about taxes and other stuff, other business stuff. But start educating yourself. Start listening about that. And let me tell you, don't just take any advice from any videos, even the videos I am doing or the TV show I'm doing or any other tax professionals doing. Because what we say is general education moments. It's not a tax advice for you guys. Your situation is unique. And what I'm saying is general. So you really need to talk to a professional to see, okay, what works for you? What is it exactly you need to do in order to save in taxes? And I'll be happy to talk to you if you would like. I have free consultation. We can talk and I can tell you if I can help you and how can I help you and if there's an opportunity for you to save in taxes or not. Most of the time, 99% of the time, there's always an opportunity. So keep playing the money game, keep playing the tax game so you can win and build your legacy. This is your host, Noura Al-Masri, and here we came to the end. Thank you so much for watching the show today. I've enjoyed being with you, and I hope you guys enjoyed staying with me until now. If you find something helpful for today's conversation, I invite you to share it with someone else. Share it with someone else who needs to hear it. Let people ripple become an echo. Okay? Stay curious, stay compassionate, and stay courageous. That was your host, Noura Al-Masri. Until next time, keep making an impact.